Future perfect continuous tense. When do we use it? Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English grammar lesson. Today, you'll master the future perfect continuous tense in a simple and easy way. Let's begin. Part 1. What is the future perfect continuous tense? The future perfect continuous tense describes an action that will continue for a period of time before a specific point, or another action in the future. Instead of focusing on the result, this tense focuses on the duration of the activity. Think of it like this. The action starts before a future time. The action continues. Then we arrive at that future moment and look back at how long the action has been happening. For example, by next June, I will have been teaching for 10 years. The teaching started years earlier. It continues. When next June arrives, the speaker looks back and says the activity has lasted 10 years. The focus is the length of time. Part 2. The formula. Here's the structure. Subject plus will plus have been plus verb plusing. Examples. I will have been studying. She will have been working. They will have been living here. He will have been waiting. Notice that every subject uses exactly the same structure. There are no changes. Part 3. When do we use the future perfect continuous tense? There are 3 main situations. Let's study them one by one. Use 1. To show how long an action will have continued before a future time. This is the most common use. We talk about the duration of an action before a future moment. Examples. By next month, I will have been working here for 5 years. By midnight, she will have been studying for 8 hours. Notice these time expressions. For 2 hours. For 5 years. By next week. By tomorrow. By the end of the year. These words often appear with this tense. Use to emphasize the duration instead of the result. Sometimes we care more about how long something has continued. Example. At 8 p.m., I will have been cooking for 3 hours. Maybe dinner is not ready yet. The important point is the 3 hours of cooking. Another example. When you arrive, we will have been cleaning the house all morning. Again, the focus is the length of time. Use 3. To explain the cause of a future situation. Sometimes the long activity explains what people will notice in the future. Example. When you see me tonight, I will have been running for an hour. I might look tired because I have been running. Another example. She will have been working all day, so she'll probably want to rest. The continuous activity explains the future condition. Part 4. Time expressions commonly used. The future perfect continuous tense often appears with these expressions. For. Since. By tomorrow. By next week. By next year. By then. Before. When. Examples. By next Monday. By 8 o'clock. For 3 hours. For 10 years. Since January. Since 2020. These expressions help show duration and future reference. Part 5. Positive sentences. Formula. Subject plus will have been plus verbing. Examples. I will have been learning English for 2 years by December. She will have been driving for 5 hours by noon. They will have been playing football since morning. Part 6. Negative sentences. To make a negative sentence, simply add not after will. Formula. Subject plus will not have been plus verbing. Examples. I will not have been working here for very long. She will not have been studying for 2 hours. We won't have been traveling for a week. Remember, will not becomes won't. Part 7. Questions. To ask questions, move will to the beginning. Formula. Will plus subject plus have been plus verbing. Examples. Will you have been studying for 2 hours? Will she have been working all day? Will they have been waiting long? Will your parents have been living there for 20 years? Part 8. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. I will have been study. Wrong. Use the ing form. Correct. I will have been studying. Mistake 2. I will been working. Wrong. Don't forget have. Correct. I will have been working. Mistake 3. Using this tense without a future reference. Wrong. I will have been studying. Better. By tomorrow, I will have been studying for 5 hours. Always connect it to a future time. Part 9. Practice together. Complete these sentences. Number 1. By next year, I for this company for 10 years. A. Will been working. B. Will have been working. C. Will be working. Answer. B. Will have been working. Number 2. She English for 6 months by December. A. Will have been learning. B. Will been learning. C. Will have be learning. Answer. A. Will have been learning. Number 3. They have been waiting for a long time. A. Will be. B. Will been. C. Will. Answer. D. Will. Excellent. Part 10. Quick review. Let's remember the key ideas. We use the future perfect continuous tense to show how long an action will have continued before a future time. The structure is subject plus will plus have been plus verbing. It emphasizes duration. Common time expressions include for, since, by then, by next year, before, when. If you remember that difference, you've already mastered one of the hardest English tenses. If this lesson helped you, like this video, subscribe for more easy English grammar lessons, and leave a comment using the future perfect continuous tense. See you in the next lesson.